What it do, YouTube? We back, and by the title of the video, how much do YouTube pays for 1 million views on YouTube Shorts? I know it's not the same as long form, but it's still revenue there. So if you like, I'm monetized, but I just only want to do shorts. This is the ideal of what you can make from shorts, right? So we're gonna have it in different tiers. We're gonna have the $1,000 tier. Well, not the 1,000 view tier. We're gonna have the 10,000. We're gonna go all the way up to. We're gonna go to 500, and then we're gonna go to $1 million. All right. But hey, let's start off with 1,000. So right here, we got 1,000 views on this one. 1,000. This made me 16 cents, right? But it is a little twist. It is such thing as engaged views. That's something you got to keep in mind. What was the engaged views on this? It was 504. So that's what they're gonna trick you at. Was the engaged views versus the actual views. So look, for 1,000 views, that's, you don't know what the gauge is. Hey, 16 cents. But I'm gonna give you a video that actually got 1,000 views off engagement. Right here, they say 2,000 views, 27 cents. But in actuality, I got 1,000 views that was engaged. So it's 27 cents for every 1,000 views. That's realistic. Even though it say 2,000, they change. If anybody just look at a second of it, they give you credit. But it's supposed to be like a couple of seconds X counts a view. And that's where I got 27 cents. So for every 1,000 views, you're really getting like 27 cents for it. All right. Now let's go to 10,000 views. So right here, I got a video with 10.2, closest thing to 10,000 views I got. I made $1.31 off this video. Hey, it's like, you see, it's for 10,000, I got $1.30. I'm about to do something else to get this money up off of shorts. That's why it's important to do long form, because long form pays a lot more than short form. Think about it, you got 10,000 views on long form. It's gonna be a lot more than $1.31. But hey, we're gonna go to the next one. 500,000. Let's see what 500,000 views get me. So right here, I got about 500,000 views on this video. Almost 6,000. Real close. But anyways, this made me $98.48 for almost 600,000 views. Oh my God, almost $100 off of, how long this video? 15 seconds? A 15-second video almost got me $100. Now this look more reasonable, right? Like if I do a couple of them, I got it. I got it. Hey, drop a comment below. How much you think 1 million views would give me? We got almost 600 right here. Now we're gonna go to the big boy. Right here, 1 million. 1 million views got me $170.80. And it's still getting views to this day. Look. This is an older video and it's still getting views. But yeah, that's how much 1 million views got me on YouTube Shorts for one video. That's not total for all my videos. This is just for one video, 170. Hey man, if this helped you make a decision about doing YouTube Shorts and try to make that your only way of making income on YouTube, drop a like. Make sure y'all subscribe and watch the video while you're here. And I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.